Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. They offer 6.83 inches AMOLED display. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Next compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. Both two phones include 5G connectivity, storage speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.